What is the chemical reaction that happens when salt and ice mix together during the making of ice cream?
The salt solution absorbs the heat from the ice cream mixture and allows it to begin to freeze.
And what is the type of chemical reaction that occurs to produce the heat?
Exothermic reaction.
Okay, during our experiment today, we're going to be making ice cream in a bag, and we are going to check the temperature at which it starts to freeze.
First, you take a quart-sized bag. You mix half a cup of milk. Let's see. Half a tablespoon of vanilla. And 1 tablespoon of sugar.
And what happens next?
And then you seal the bag tightly, allowing as little air as possible to stay in there. And you take another quart-sized bag, and you're going to double bag it so it doesn't come out.
Good. What happens next?
You're going to seal that one as tightly as possible.
Making sure there's no air left inside, or as little air as possible, right?
Yep.
Good. And what do we do next?
And then you are going to place, if you can seal it, place the filled bag inside a quart-sized bag, a gallon-sized bag filled with crushed ice.
Okay, great. What happens next?
And then you're going to sprinkle 4 tablespoons of salt on the ice.
And what do we do next?
Okay. And then you seal that big bag.
There's still air inside.
I'm sorry.
Gotta make sure there's very little air in the bag. And our next step.
And then you wrap the bag in a towel
Why?
because it'll freeze your hands off.
Okay. That's good.
Okay. And then you're going to shake and knead for 5 to 8 minutes.
Now that we've shaken the mixture for about 5 to 6 minutes, now we're going to check the temperature of the ice salt mixture. This should only take a couple of seconds or so, just to see what the temperature is.
29 degrees Celsius.
Okay, great. It's actually 29 degrees Celsius, and that is below the freezing point, so that's the reason why this experiment worked. Now, last thing we need to do
Enjoy.
is get a spoon and taste the ice cream. Okay, let's go get a spoon.
Time to eat it.
We actually added a little chocolate flavoring to it because, after all, some of us like vanilla and some of us like chocolate. So, how's the chocolate ice cream?
Delicious.
Good. Okay, experiment's over. We proved our point, and we've shown our chemical reaction in the process.